Before moving on to the next step, a short demonstration using this online tool, as just described in step 2, will now be shown. Go to SAISD.net, click the schools link from the left side, click search by home address. A message box will appear. Click either X or close to close that message box. And from the top under address lookup in the search bar, enter the address. Once you've typed in the address, make sure that you are selecting one of the drop-down options that is the most closely aligned and accurately reflects the address. Ensure the selection you have made is the correct address. If you see something similar to that on your screen with results and something similar to the map, then this is an address that is within SAISD boundaries and therefore is in alignment with local board policy. You may proceed with planning, transportation, and the transportation supplement. We will now use another example. Again, making sure to select the closest from the drop-down menu. This is the other type of entry and results you may see. When this is the result you see, that indicates this address is an example that is not within SAISD boundaries, meaning it is out of SAISD. It is out of the district and thereby is not in alignment with local board policy. Transportation services cannot be provided to this address.